Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a cleaning hack. Take a look at this, cloudy, dull and covered in stubborn limescale. If your shower faucet looks like this, you're not alone. But don't worry, in today's video I show you how to bring back that shine using one simple natural ingredient, citric acid. Let's get started. So what exactly is citric acid? It's a natural acid found in citrus fruits like lemons, and it's amazing for cleaning. It dissolves tough limescale and mineral deposits without any harsh chemicals. Safe, simple and super effective. Pour 1 liter of water into a pot. Add 1 small sachet of citric acid, 100 grams. Bring the mixture to a boil and let it simmer gently for a few minutes until the acid is fully dissolved. Now you've got a powerful natural solution ready to tackle even the toughest limescale. Now here's a simple trick. I'm using some old socks soaked in the hot citric acid solution. I wrap them tightly around the faucet and shower head. These are the spots with the worst limescale buildup. The fabric holds the solution in place so it can work its magic. Then I just leave it overnight to let the citric acid break down all that stubborn mineral buildup. Make sure the socks are fully soaked and wrap tightly so the surface stays wet. It's the next morning, time to take off the socks and see the results. Right away you can see the difference. The limescale is gone and the faucet already looks way cleaner. A quick wipe with a cloth and just look at that shine. No scrubbing, no harsh chemicals, just citric acid and a little patience. For an even better result and that perfect polished shine, I'm giving the faucet and shower head a quick scrub with a sponge and an old toothbrush. You don't have to do this, especially that the citric acid already did most of the work. But if you want that extra sparkle, it's totally worth the effort. Citric acid is a natural weak organic acid found in citrus fruits like lemons, limes and oranges. It's what gives them their sour taste. In cleaning, citric acid is a powerful and eco-friendly descaler. It works especially well for removing limescale. Here's why citric acid is great for cleaning faucets. It breaks down limescale and mineral deposits easily. It's non-toxic and biodegradable. It's safe to use around pets and children compared to harsher chemicals. You can buy citric acid in powdered form at most grocery stores, pharmacies, or online, often in the baking or cleaning section. And here it is, the final result. The faucet and shower head are looking spotless, shiny and almost like new. All thanks to a simple citric acid soak and a little optional scrubbing. Citric acid is perfect for faucets, shower heads, kettles, coffee machines, taps, sink drains and steam irons. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy home cleaning tips, and let me know in the comments if you try it yourself.